Are you motherfucking ready?
Yeah. I think we should, like...
Are you ready, though?
I think we should actually just let the opening play. Really
But are you ready?
I think so.
Are you ready?
I am. Ooh.
Gonna fight you, brother!
You know that guy's evil, right? Oh man.
Oh,
I love playing as Virgil. Shink.
girl,
Lady.
lady, girl. Rising Dragon.
Upper slash. Star forward. Upper slash.
I don't know whether there were targeting sequences during that scene.
It's because it's nothing makes sense. It's Devil May Cry.
Oh, he thrust kicks so hard. Woohoo! I like they make it so that his guns are like apparently super powerful, but then they're like, no, but get good guns, better guns though. It's like
They actually are. One of my favorite guns.
Girl.
They're my favorite. They're all my favorite.
Blarg. Ladies pack shit.
So, this is what they call a heartwarming family reunion, eh? You got that right. Father? I don't have a father.
Oh shit.
I just don't like you. That's all.
Or you can expect a spanking from Daddy later. Just as gonna spank you, but spank you on the bar.
You showed up.
So he's a demon too.
Quite frankly, at first, I didn't give a damn. But because of you, I know what's important now. I know what I need to do. I love a fast woman.
I thought I wasn't gonna cry.
So,
Jesus Christ.
yeah,
These games have like the longest fucking openings.
they did. Pretty fucking cool, though.
The world!
The
Dante has the world!
Yep. Oh, you can play as Daddy.
No doubt, you've got some
And,
plans for me.
super
Right,
corrupt
Virgil?
Virgil. It's like, fuck yeah, dude.
Dante.
See this fucking katana sword? They only give these to badasses.
Sealed gate to the demonic world will open.
Because that's never
No, it's
a
fine.
bad idea.
Party.
Devil May Cry.
Special edition. Mm-hmm. This is the 360 version,
Yeah.
because they don't have this on next gen.
Really?
No.
Oh, well. And
They got it on-
hey, what's that there?
That's...
Oh,
No. I'm pretty sure this is on PC as well,
yeah.
but this is the only, like... This is actually the HD...
Tutorial.
Sure.
Sure.
This is gold. This is the only HD, not remake,
Yeah.
but HD uptick, I guess.
Okay. Normal.
Because this was on PS2?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You could do a cheat code and get everything.
Why would you do that?
Because it's super hard. And you just want to play as the other characters.
You've heard of it, haven't you? The Legend of Sparta.
No. I'm sure by the third
Tell me
game
about
I've
it.
never heard of Sparta.
Long ago, in ancient times, a demon rebelled against his own kind for the
Daigo.
sake of the human race. With his sword, he shut the portal to
Just
the
a
demonic
sword.
realm
Just
and
a sword,
sealed
that's all
the
you
evil
need.
entities off from our human world. But since he was a demon himself, His power was also trapped
It's just
on
like,
the other side.
well, I guess I'll have sex with women now.
Yeah.
It's like, darn.
But I discovered that this so-called legend wasn't a
They got to
myth.
stop missing each other.
Oh, it's all parries and dodges, man. They're that
How
good.
do I know?
Well,
I met the sons of Sparta. Both of them.
they're fucking cool guys.
There.
Though the same blood of their father flowed through their veins, the two battled each other fiercely like arch enemies.
You could say they were rivals.
It seemed as if they derived some sort of twisted pleasure from this brotherly fighting.
Yeah,
That
let's
should
rub
have
the
been
sword so
that should
hard.
have that should have been in quotation marks, almost brotherly fighting.
And he's like, "A brother."
Yeah, fuck you, brother.
It's like, you do know, like, this happens to me in the beginning of every single game, and it doesn't do anything.
Ugh.
It hurt.
That's just the end. That's the end of the duel, at least. Because it's not like they're out to kill each other yet.
Only one was left standing.
And yeah, fucking impeccable. Just one little flip in all the hair, except for a little bit. Almost stab you now.
Just gonna get out of the shower now. Hello.
Pizza.
Pizza. Oh man,
Oh,
just got clean.
he hasn't dried yet, but he threw pants on.
Yeah. Yeah, he's still steaming.
He's still steaming, but apparently he's just put his pants, socks, and shoes on.
And gloves.
Sorry, not open for business yet.
Like, technically, don't even have a name yet. Yeah.
And I'm already getting calls.
I'm so fucking cool.
Num num num.
Excuse me, I called earlier. Hello?
You a customer too? Well, if you want to use the bathroom, help yourself. The toilet's in the back.
I don't think he wants to use the bathroom,
Is
Dante.
your name Dante, son of Sparta,
Sporta.
Where did you hear that?
from your brother?
Very to the point.
Yep. That looks like your
He
necklace.
sent this invitation.
It almost seems like he's checking him out.
Yeah.
Like he's like, hex. Oh,
It's like, oh, damn
my
it.
pizza.
I was
He
eating.
never gets to finish that pizza.
Never.
Ever. It seems everyone else always eats the pizza, or something gets in the way of him eating the pizza.
Invitation, huh?
'Cause he's like, pizza.
Yeah.
Now,
That was rude.
if this happens while you're playing the game, you die.
Yeah. And all these people are dust.
Dude, he ripped that dude's head off.
Oh, this guy's still holding
Hello,
on.
that guy. It's like,
that's my
oh god. I just want this pizza, for the love of fuck. I like how he's got the blade sticking out of him.
And he's like, oh,
Looks like you could almost use him as a weapon.
he does.
This party's getting crazy. Let's rock.
Button. 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 God damn it, this piece of shit. There you go.
Yeah. Now, I don't know what it is, but whenever they made these games, they glimpsed at the beautiful. These are some of the coolest games ever.
Yeah. These are some of my favorites.
They're so cool.
Well, it's because it makes you.
You're like,
it does what
yeah.
you want to do. you know?
Yeah, you're just cheering the whole time. And then some of this shit you can just do later in
Yeah.
the game.
You do a lot of this now.
He looks so sad. He's like, oh no.
Except for this. You can't do this yet.
No. It's so stupid and awesome. Boink.
Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, fuck
You
out of
wrecked
my face.
fucking expensive ass table.
Bet on it.
Alright.
And now you, which is not going to be nearly as cool.
No, probably not.
So now you get to pick your style.
Are you gonna let me pick a style, or are
No.
you gonna say...
No. There you go, gunsmith, but you can't use guns, so...
Seriously, what do you...
No,
do I get to...
do whatever the fuck you want.
Fucking Swordmaster. That's how we roll.
So I was lying to Rodney. I was telling him he could only do Royal Guard, and he could only use guns, and he couldn't upgrade the guns. I was just gonna make this the longest fucking game
I
of
was
Devil
gonna
May
do it.
Cry ever.
I was gonna actually do it.
And then you get to fucking Virgil or someone at other
And it's
bosses
impossible.
who just block the bullets, and you're just like, I'm having a problem here.
Style action.
Lock on.
Okay, that's lock on. Good. Move. Okay, well, I guess I can deal with that. I'm used to directional pad.
Yeah, fuck you. You got a red orb. Oh, you don't know what red orbs do anymore.
Lock on. Whoop. Get out of here. Okay. Okay. Fire your guns. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Whoop.
Oh, you got hit. Game over.
In heaven or hell mode, yes. Ooh, you're fast. No. What?
Oh god. Oh, god.
I wanna,
Please stop.
how do I know if I'm locking on?
I might have actually changed the the buttons.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me see. Option.
Go to control. And then see if you can press a default. Yeah, go all the way down to the bottom. Default. There you go. I changed some shit around to make it for me.
Yeah, that's fine.
Because I'm a crazy asshole who's just like, I don't like the feel of that. And then I'll just change everything.
Oh shit! Wrong button. Sorry.
What
okay.
are you doing? What are you doing?
Alright. Okay, this is better.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I've shot him in the face.
Good job. You did it.
Alright, cool. Come on. Oh, you thought you had me.
Come on.
Whoop. 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 Whoop.
Oh, you got hit. I saw it coming. A mile away. Ah! Oh, you sick bastard, you. Dodging that like a badass. I saw it. Witness.
Witness me! Witness! Sorry.
That was way too hype for the fucking tutorial level. I'm gonna say that right now.
Whoop. Whoop.
Blast off!
Whoop. Get over here. Get. I wish I had Stinger.
I thought you started off with Stinger.
No. I got a green orb.
You did it.
Oh, fucking shit. Remember that now. Come here.
Get over here.
Hey. There we go. I'm dope. Oh, look at my shop now, man. I just got done paying it off.
I haven't even named this place yet.
Look at my sweet ass demon sword.
Pretty sure I'm gonna be getting rid of this soon.
I don't need this piece.
For
of
an
shit.
even more badass dude.
Oh. You forgot about the gun.
It's like, I wanted to eat that pizza.
Son of a bitch.
Well, I gotta go beat the shit out of my brother for sending demons to wreck my pizza.
Man.
I can already tell. Looks like this is gonna be one hell of a party.
Boom. Yeah.
D.
No. I gotta be.
Oh, that's lenient.
Save?
Yeah, why not?
Oh god. Hard drive. Yeesh. Yeesh.
I mean, when you think about it, this game is like 10 years old.
Yeah, it is. Next. Alright, let's customize and buy shit. Actions. Because I need the stinger.
No,
yes.
No.
Yes!
No stinger run.
I sting it.
Drive.
Drive. Can I buy any items? I don't know.
What the fuck? You don't buy stuff?
Why not?
Because, man, that's
need
for
it.
noobs
I need-
and bitches.
I
What do you
want, like,
purple?
blue orb. Blue orbs are good. Guns? Can I, no, I can't upgrade that shit.
Only 5,000.
That's it. As soon as I get that fucking shotgun, they're fucking done. What's up, guys?
We've come to wash your windows.
Really?
No.
No.
No. Not at all.
You guys totally wrecked my shop, and I haven't even named it yet.
God damn it! I don't even have a sign yet, you bastards.
Pay for that.
Like, how did he not realize that there was apparently Armageddon going on outside? Because everything is wrecked, not just his shop.
I think it's just the world in general.
Like, look at that! This shit just destroyed everywhere.
Oh, yeah.
What kind of crazy world is this, anyway?
It's a crazy world with demons.
Because, like, it's just every day, apparently. You have to deal with demons.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh!
I hope you all cover all this.
Give me your insurance papers right now!
Fix my roof!
Fix my roof! You just kill him, then the guy's outside, it's like, but my roof, though! Whoop, whoop. Wacha!
Stinger!
Alright, million stabs is fucking awesome. I love the ta. That's the coolest.
Yeah. What's this here?
You don't.
I want
That's nothing.
I want it. There we go.
No, it's
Oh.
nothing though.
Part
Pay no attention
Pardon
to the
me.
man behind the beer. Hey guys, we're actually cooler looking than the puppets from the first game.
Yeah, that's...
The puppets, I'll say, we're creepy. But these look cooler to fight.
Would you...
And you have to keep fighting those fucking puppets forever.
Yeah.
Oh! Breakdown.
I thought you would get me from behind, but you weren't expecting on the trigger.
I can't even remember which... Jesus fuck.
Whoop!
I can't even remember what, like, modes you're in.
Normal.
The swordsman?
Yeah.
Do you get the extra moves?
Yeah, extra sword moves. Oh, these fucking guys.
Hello!
Go away.
Hey, did you know that you can dodge?
Cool. Oh.
Wog!
Oh.
You're gone. You took too long. Oh! Yeah.
There we go.
I was wanted you to do that stinger only to find out that there's a bomb one right there. It's like, yeah! Oh no! Because that's always good. Break down. I mean, this game is just raw fun.
Eh.
Raw fun with an edge of tough. Because sometimes this game just gets hard.
It's very unforgiving. There we go. Now I fight the boss.
Are you already wearing out your hand?
Yeah,
We just got past the tutorial.
I know. I'm not as spry as I used to be. Hey, you son of a bitch.
I'm a boss. Nah.
Hey.
Take this. You might want to not take that in the face.
Whoop.
Whoa. You're doing it.
Whoop.
Take it. What are you doing, guy?
Oh, wrong button. Sorry.
You just jumped.
Oh, damn it.
You didn't do it again.
You son of a bitch.
You don't got the timing down for your attacks. You're just randomly pressing the button.
That's half this game. Whoop. Whoop. Hey. Stinger! Whoop. Bitch.
Game over.
We win. Oh, yeah, that's game over. Yeah, we.
You look at this fucking bullshit.
Yeah.
Like the news would be like, well, a demon tower just appeared in downtown today.
In other news, the Pope visited.
Again.
Strange coincidences. I like the Pope.
Heralding the end of all time as we know it. Again.
When we come back, ways for you to not get sodomized in hell.
Like, I almost expect them to be like, oh, what game am I thinking of? It's like a mech game the From Software did before they did, like, the Souls series.
Yeah.
And humanity just lives in flying cities. So you'd almost think that'd be what we'd be at now. Be in this universe. It's like, fuck it. Let's just go to the giant cities so their dumb demon towers can't get there.
And they keep getting bigger so they can reach us. Like, oh. And we just go higher altitude.
And then we just get into space and like, fuck this planet. It's just demons everywhere. Aha! You didn't expect this. Laters.
I'm gonna run away like a little bitch!
Guy. Was that the dude you just killed? Did
Yeah.
he just run away?
Yeah, he just ran away.
Why'd he run away?
He's a little bitch.
No doubt you've got some fun planned for me. Right, Virgil?
Sure.
And he's just
Flips
like,
up to Virgil's like, man, I have no idea what I'm doing right now.
this is so high up, I'm scared.
Virgil just is on the tower, the giant air whale flies by. It's like, what the fuck is that? Did you summon a giant air whale? This is just part of the thing.
Goddamn. Yeah, he asked the dude with the book, he's like,
Like, get the fucking read the book. See
What
what
does it say?
Does it say air whale? It like, oh, it does say air whale. Okay.
It's
What does
a
it
thing.
do? It just flies around.
It's like a guard,
Oh, okay,
I guess.
sure.
You know, it's like a sentry.
Sentry for the air.
Yeah. Because, I mean, we're demons, and they can fly, too.
They got planes, and
Yeah.
we need something to battle the planes.
So we have a whale.
So we have a giant air whale.
When did you get out of the asylum?
Aren't you so hard right now, Virgil?
He's like, this thing in front of me is not my sword.
Who once ruled this earth as the medium between the human world and the demon world.
Oh my god. This tower's so it's so fucking tall. Look at the background compared to this tower.
Yeah.
It's so big.
Yeah.
Constructed this glorious edifice.
Evil built really big towers. Is there a good tower somewhere? Is it smaller?
No. I think it's thinner.
That's none
I just love he just doesn't give a shit.
Yeah.
He's like, listen, I only want one thing. I want to fight Dante. That's all I want.
He wants to be strong like his daddy.
Both lost.
but he has no idea of its true power.
It's like, hey, I did good, right?
I ran away super hard, though.
And he's like, oh my god, I can't even...
Oh, we're best friends now,
Notice
right?
me, senpai!
I love you. Oh, my dick.
Such a badass.
You're already dead. Blah.
Just falls down the tower.
Like, God, why did I come here?
Guy's like, I got this sweet
Oh,
book.
shit. That was cool. Man.
And that lady's like,
Oh,
see this fucking
who's
gun?
that lady? Is
See
it
this-
perhaps lady? I found it.
How did you miss
It
it?
took me hours, but I finally spotted the tower. Fuck you.
Like, oh god.
Like, oh god.
Trey. Alright.
Get it?
It's customized.
Get it? 'Cause it's 3. It's 3. You got... Oh, no, not enough.
Oh.
No, you only need 20,000. How do you got? How many thousand you got? 4?
Yeah. I'll go up. Items.
Shit's
Whatever.
expensive.
Yeah. Whatever. Whatever. Fuck you then.
Fucking the economy, man. The economy.
Yeah. Boing.
Ah,
Hi. I'm a weird crossbow thingy.
I see you.
I shoot crossbows.
Hey, did you know that you can jump on walls?
Yeah. Yeah,
Oh,
son
God.
of a bitch.
Oh God.
Hey.
Oh,
Hey.
oh, no, no,
Come here.
no, you're not doing
Come
it.
here.
Nope.
Come.
There you go.
There we go. Hey, son of a
Oh, you
bitch.
knocked him off.
Oh,
Oh,
shit.
no, you missed.
Excuse me, guys.
Oh,
Oh, you little bastard.
you're gonna die.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna die. Trillion stabs.
Ow.
See, what I want is I want a fucking Trigun game.
Oh my god, right?
It's fucking just like this.
The closest thing you're gonna get is that gun grip. It's not Trigun, I'll give you that.
Trigun. Break down. This is so crazy right now. It's like, and then the idea of these games where you're just like, listen, the more diverse you are in your fighting style, the more points you get.
Yeah.
And you're like, well, that's cool. You're almost
Click.
dead now.
That's fine. Bloop, bloop. Should be stuff I can break.
Should be hidden things everywhere.
Actually,
Yes.
let me think. I'm
Yes.
trying to remember. There should be... No.
Mm-hmm.
Derp, derp.
Mm-hmm.
Son of a bitch. Fucking goat! Goat!
How does it go? Or a bison?
I don't know.
Maybe a bison?
I'm saying a goat. The gasp!
Oh my god!
Oh, look at that thing. It's so pretty.
I wonder what weapon you're gonna get.
Let's just break
Oh, you
everything.
got red orbs.
Break it all.
I think there's a sign back behind you that you can still break. Fuck that sign.
What is it? The special today?
That's,
You know what? No.
Trillions.
Nobody gets anything.
The special's trillion stabs. Aha!
Aha!
There you go. You did it.
Fucking bulls. They're bulls up here.
Bullshit.
This must be Chicago.
Say what?
They got bulls everywhere.
Blast off!
There we are.
There you go.
Get that
You
one.
need to get it.
There we go. Oh man, I'm so excited right now. Hey, open that.
Oh, magic! How did you know it was there?
How did I didn't? Oh god.
It's trying to take your points. Don't let it. Well, you got 3. Break down. There you go.
There we go. Oh no, give me that sexy piece of equipment. Yeah. That's what I need.
Now you can shotgun.
Ba-boom! I kind of wish I took Gunslinger for a moment because you can get the shotgun and nunchuck the shotgun. If you didn't know.
Well, once you level up enough.
Yeah. No entry.
No entry.
Who says? Fuck you.
Fuck the rules. Man.
Bullseye.
Bullseye.
Hey, did I miss the show? Hello?
You mean the strip show?
Yeah. Check it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tear it up.
Dante uses his world around him.
Oh yeah.
He knows what's what. Aha! Nope, they're indestructible.
Oh my god. Gambling is the true evil.
It is.
I wasn't even there.
You were upstairs.
Where did those guys come
Look at that
from?
fucking cool guy with his fucking pose.
Oh.
Ninjas.
Hello? Oh, excuse me. You didn't realize the shotgun.
You don't realize the power of a blast off. Oh, can he do it? Oh. Oh. Sweet. Yeah, we're definitely gonna go through these fucking games.
Hey guys. They're like, fuck, he's wrecking
He's
his
like, holy
shit.
shit, trillion stabs every day, all day.
Oh, yes. You. You. Oh, get out of my... you're out of my range. Oh, that was...
Get out of my range and into my car.
Oh, the jumping stabs, though.
Oh. All right.
All right.
Sweet.
Fucking wrecking...
All right. Oh man, I can't wait for you to get the nunchucks.
Get up. Yeah, that'll be fine.
And then you'll just use those all the time.
Yeah, I probably will for a little while.
And that's it. Just nunchucks all day.
That was good. This feels right.
Do.
Let me just grab that little Dickens.
Health.
You remember that movie Beavis and Butthead Do America?
Yeah.
So, get this.
Just count.
Go through that
Scene
door.
where they get high in the desert.
Yeah, I love that scene. You know what other scene I like is when they're... ooh, I can upgrade my shit.
I'm pretty sure there's something on that sign as well.
Yeah, there is. This one?
Yeah. You gotta like get all the way up there.
Got it.
That's not it.
Oh.
I have a very small nose. Hey, yeah!
Yeah.
We did it.
Fucking did it.
Love.
Fuck you.
Love planet. Oh. Oh! Oh! Nope. Nope.
I want to get up. There we
There
go.
you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. Yeah. Barrel. Alright.
Barrel.
A barrel.
Oh.
Hi.
Oh no, he found the crystal with the souls in it. Now the question is, do these things appear once the demon temple came out, or has it just always been like this?
You know, I don't think anybody really knows. Oh, I need that. It's a fragment.
Blue.
Yeah. Thank you. Can I... Oh, I can. Secret mission. The
Number 1.
Exorcist. Defeat enemies within time limit. Alright, we're gonna give that a shot. Hey,
You
guys.
have a minute.
What the hell?
Oh no, you failed it already. Oh. Oh no, not the... Yeah!
Oh.
Fucking action! Oh. Ow, ow, ow,
It hurts! They're like, dear God, this is all he does!
ow.
I'm fine.
I got 10 seconds. I think you only got 2 left. 1 left. 4, 3, 2. Oh!
Damn it.